Taraba State in Nigeria is finally gone. No be small thing o, as we dey talk right now, dey say all dis herdsmen wey dey inside bush wey dem dey call toro toro, e say dem don finally collect the place wey dem dey call Taraba. Dem come dey tell people wey get the land say make dem agree say dem be one Nigeria. When we dey tell una say foreignization is real and Islamization is also real, you people there that time you dey busy dey do your business, think say life na so e be o, no be so e be. While the terrorists, all of them dey plan how to take over your land. As we dey talk that one o, they say that the new trend wey dem don be for Lagos, they say that trend now wayo wayo and wuruwuru don enter inside, wey be say some people don dey use ticket dey collect money from passengers as they capture this particular person wey we go show you right now. My people, let's go and find out how all this thing take dey happen for inside Nigeria. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If na today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Still dey here dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. They say that the place where they call Taraba, they say Taraba is now in the hands of the people where they call herdsmen. They don't carry their villages. They ask them to agree for one Nigeria. For those of you where they speak Hausa, I will play this video for you. May you still tell us what they talk for inside comment section. Let's watch the video together before we come back and proceed.
So, sarki bismillah zo. Ka matso kusa. Ka matso kusa. Yayi.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Yau ya bude fuskan shi. Na? Bude fuskan. Bude fuskan ka. Assalamu alaikum al'ummar jihar Taraba. Yau Juma'a. Yau na?
Yi bayanin ka.
Muke saurara. Yau muke hannu kwana uku kenan muke hannu. Mun yi kira ga gwamnati na farko. Mun yi kira ga gwamnati na farko da ta sa hannu ta kawo mana agaji ta ceci rayuwarmu saboda zaluncin da gwamnati ta yi ma wannan al'umma na Fulani. Ta ware su cikin al'umma gaba ɗaya, ta hana su zaman lafiya, ta kore su, ta kashe su, ta kwashe dukiyoyinsu, ta kashe dukiyoyinsu, ta sa su gudun hijira suka tafi kasan da ba nasu ba, alhali kuma su 'yan Najeriya ne, 'yan Najeriya ma su 'yan Taraba ne. Aka wargadar da su, aka kore su daga asalin inda suka sani, aka mai da su inda ba su sani ba. To ina za su rayu? Za su rayu ne kamar dabbobi? Su dabbobi ne, ba su da rayuka ne kamar mu. Don haka su suna kukan yadda aka walakanta su, aka walakanta iyayensu, aka mai da su marayu. Su ma sai sun ɗauki fansan wannan abin, ko kuma gwamnati ta kira a zauna tare a shirya, a tabbatar da cewa an daina warayya, an daina son kai, an daina cuta, an daina zamba, an daina munafurtan kowa. Wannan al'amari idan gwamnati bata tashi ta yi wani abu cikin ɗan kwanakin nan ba, daga yau zuwa gobe ba, mu da muke hannu misalin zai fara zuwa a kanmu tukunna. Mu yadda muke hannu yanzu haka, mu mutum 23. Wannan tabbacacciya ne idan gwamnati bata tashi ta yi wani abu daga yanzu da nake maganan nan zuwa yammaci, to lalle gobe ka sai dai a ɗibi gawakinmu. Don haka muna roko duk wanda ya ji wannan sako, duk mai imani, duk wanda ya ji wannan sako, muna rokon shi don darajan Allah ya yi kokari ya je ya sanar ma wanda yake tare da gwamnati ko gwamnatin karan kanta, saboda a yi wani abu maza a neme su, a zanna da su, a ji damuwansu kamar da na ambata da bakina, don a samu zaman lafiya. Wannan shi ne babban sako da nake so in tura wannan safiya a madadina da al'umma na sarkin kwaji. Mu da muke hannu muna roƙon al'umma, duk ɗaiɗaikun al'umma, musulmi da Kirista da wanda ma ba Kirista ba, duk da ɗan Taraba da wanda ba ɗan Taraba ba ya kawo mana agaji na tsira, ya kawo mana agaji na daidaituwa. Allah taimake mu.
Amin, amin, amin. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. To, Pastor. Ka yanke ka yi wannan Pastor da ba. To, Pastor. Ci gaba, Pastor.
Salamu alaikum yan uwana yan Najeriya da kuma al'umman Taraba. Ni ne Reverend Ayuba MK Elkana DS na Euro Central. Kamar yadda mai martaba sarkin Koji ya faɗa, yau kwanan mu 3 muna na a hannu. Gaskiya muna kira da babban murya. Dukkan yan uwa manya-manya na Taraba, musamman kan da kuma Muslim Council, mun yi kira domin a nemi hankalin gwamnati a yi zama. Yan uwanmu nan ba mugaye ba ne, mutane ne masu imani, mutane ne masu son zaman lafiya, amma an ware su tuntuni, an hana su kiwo, an hana su noma, an hana su zama a cikin gari. To abun ya zama da zafi, yanzu suna bukatan a kira a zauna domin a samu zaman lafiya. Saboda haka yan uwa, kamar yadda kuke gani muna nan tare da su, ba su musguna mana ba, ba su ci zalinmu ba, suna ba mu abin da ya kamata su ba mu. Bukata guda ɗaya shine dukkanmu 'yan ƙasan nan ne, dukkanmu muna da gado a ƙasan nan. Gwamnati ta saurare mu, ta kira a zauna, a yi magana da su, a ji damuwansu, a biya bukatansu domin a samu zaman lafiya a Taraba. Idan ba a yi wannan ba, to lalle akwai matsala. Kamar mu da kuke gani a hannu da shi sarkin Koji, to in ba a ɗauki mataki daga yanzu zuwa fadiwan rana ko zuwa gobe da safe ba, labari da za ku gani kamar yadda kuke gani a cikin bidiyo nan, wani labari ne daban, wanda kuma ba son su bane su yi haka, amma an tura su ne zuwa bango, ba wata hanya da za su bi sai dai wannan. Saboda haka abokan arzikinmu, 'ya'yanmu da suke gwamnati, 'ya'yanmu da suke manya-manya a jiha har zuwa taraya, muna kuka gwamnati ta saurari wannan bayani da roko.
Yes, my wonderful people. So we see am o, and I will say mo bring am come give you. Abeg, no forget to give the channel a follow, and no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and no forget to share the video so that other people go know wetin dey go on. Tell us wetin you understand for this video. If you dey speak Hausa, if you no dey speak Hausa, this information wey we don give you, and so we still see am, and I will say mo bring am come give. Let's quickly jump into Lagos. Mo know wetin dey happen for that area. They say that the train ticket say they don't use am now, they collect people. That is why Nigeria, it will take Nigeria billions of years before they go fit realize say something fit work. So the only solution for inside the matter, na make everybody carry him bag go in papa house go stay. If Nigeria can understand this, it's more better, because now it's early. Because the kind thing, frustration wey be say when some people don't enter inside, e no go allow any office for Nigeria to work without wuru-wuru. I dey tell you the truth of wetin dey happen, and na so e go dey work dey go. Let's show you this video make you know wetin dey happen for inside that train. In case of you dey Lagos, you wan go enter that train, oh, be careful. They don dey use am, dey do maga-maga for inside people.
Did you take it?
Don't gas. Hold on.
All right, no problem. No problem. All right. All right.
Good morning. When we were out here, a guy said you can book ticket from him online. That he's going to sell it for us 3,000 instead of 3,006. That there is no available tickets now, but they've booked. That some people have booked it online. That if we want, that he can do it for us, sell it to us on his phone, 3,000 naira. And when those coppers start running up and down, the guy ran away.
So let me ask you, why didn't you book? Because I'm told that they opened the portal between 12.
We don't know. We are not aware. We were not aware before. We are just here. We are just going to go and have fun with my children. So I want them to experience the real, yes. So we are here to just go and enjoy. We don't know. We are just here to. We thought we are just going to book our tickets and go. So we don't know if something is happening like this here today. We are not aware. You're welcome.
Yeah, my wonderful people. No be small thing, no. For obodo oyibo, they know they for inside Western world and for Europe, for other countries, they know they book ticket down. Or let's say now you want just book am. You go there, buy your ticket. Or you go just enter inside the train, use your app, buy ticket for yourself. And when the people wey dey check ticket come, they go just scan and pay him, see your ticket dey okay. They waka comot. But for inside Nigeria, wuruwuru don enter. That is why the country wey be say they call country wey be business center for another person for another country come create the business center. How I wan take be like country? Anything wey you like make you do. Wuruwuru must dey inside. This one dey happen for Lagos o. My people, na so e be o, and I will say make we bring am come give you. Make you try to share this video and make sure say you dey follow our channel and let us know your own opinion for inside comment section as e dey hot.